All right. Greetings to my channel, Tarot Blessings. Today we're doing a special unboxing of the 420 Tarot. Now, this is an adult channel, so I really don't need to go into too much explanation as to what 420 is. Um, if it isn't obvious to you by the cards, just keep watching and you'll see what this is all about. Now, I received these cards from the creator of 420tarot.com. Artwork by Juliana Rose. Okay, check her out. This deck I just received this week, and I love it. It was highly recommended by a good friend, dear friend of mine, Empress Cakes, and I kept saying I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna buy it, but it was gifted to me by the creator of the cards, the illustrator. It is of the style of Raider Waite. So for basic tarot, it's easy to read. Sorry, I had to take a pause because my cat is in here making extra noise. Anywho, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the cards. So now, first of all, what's most important to a tarot reader, or should be to a tarot reader, is the card stock. Now, these cards, I can tell you, I love the card stock already. This is going to be able to take numerous shuffles, you know, the card shuffle that's that kind of card shuffle. This is going to be able to take it. So it's thin but not too thin. It's just the right. I mean, it's really like the right size. These cards are not slippery. They don't bend too easily. Um, they're gonna retain. Is what I'm trying to say. The quality of it is they will retain their, as long as I'm not too hard on it, because I mean you could be hard on any type of cards, but I think that these cards will be sturdy and basically last the test of time. So I already shuffled and played with these. As much as I wanted to wait to unbox them, I had to use them. They're cleansed and all of that. Excuse my little band-aid, I cut myself today. But I just wanted to go through the artistry and the imagery of each card. Sorry for all the shaking up, but I got the camera in my hand because I just wanted to give this video a personal touch. Now, this is the Chariot. Knight of Swords. Eight of Pentacles. Six of Wands. You can see everybody is lit. Everybody is lit. The Emperor. Three of Swords. Queen of Wands. I love her black cat and her bone. The Five of Wands. I could definitely appreciate the diversity of this deck. There's not a lot of decks that demonstrate diversity. They may be all one of one or the other, but this deck is diverse. I appreciate that. The Tower. Eight of Cups. that moon. Three of Pentacles. Excuse me, I'm gonna laugh. I love it. I can see these illustrated into a cartoon. This would be awesome. The Devil. The Six of Swords. Page of Wands. Two of Pentacles. And look at, again, diversity. Look at the leg. When do you see that in tarot? I've never seen that in tarot. This is awesome. Judgment. Page of Cups. That's a big page. Diversity. The Empress. Gorgeous. Seven of Cups. The Fool. The Magician. Five of Cups. Now I know I'm not going to be super slow because you really need to get your own deck, but I'm gonna go through them because I love them, and there's so much imagery in each one if you really pay attention. Nine of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. I mean, she really took, I mean, this is, I love it. Ten of Pentacles. I love it, I love it, I love it. Three of Cups. It's a party, y'all. Queen of Cups. Knight of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. Seven of Swords. Ten of Swords. The World. Five of Swords. Two of Cups. One of my favorite cards in any deck. Ace of Swords. Another fave. Truth. Three of Wands. Queen of Pentacles. I don't know what's going on my focus. There we go. Four of Swords. The Moon. Four of Wands. Ten of Wands. Eight of Wands. Page of Swords. The High Priestess, excuse me. Whew. Wounded Warrior. Nine of Wands. The Hierophant. Peace, y'all. One of my other favorites, the Ace of Cups. Ace of Wands. The Ten of Cups. The Knight of Cups. Bringing his chalice and his split. The Nine of Pentacles. You can smoke that whole thing before you get there. The Hanged Human. Justice. Yes. What you got on them stairs? Queen of Mountains is out. Queen of Swords. Wheel of Fortune. Eight of Swords. The Hermit. The King of Swords. Two of Swords. Nine of Swords. Love it. The Sun. That's the house is. The horse looks crazy. I love it. The Four of Cups. No more. No thank you after my bone. Five of Pentacles. Nicole. Two of Wands. The Star. Four of Pentacles. Trying to go a little faster. King of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Temperance. Six of Cups. Death. Nine of Cups. Strength. Six of Pentacles. The Lovers. Another favorite. King of Pentacles. Oh, I won't focus right. Sorry, guys. King of Cups. Look at that diversity. I love it. And last but not least, the Seven of Wands. So again, this is the 420 deck by Juliana Rose. Please check her out at 420-tarot.com. This is a new deck. This is a must-have deck. If you love 420, you can all truly appreciate this deck. Like I said, if you're a true tarot reader, the card stock matters. It is, and I also, the other part I like about it is how I can hold it in my hand when I'm shuffling. It's not too big. It's easy to shuffle. It's easy to throw the cards, or I should say place the cards. But for me, it's not too big, not too little for my hands. Those are things I appreciate when I'm reading because they're not awkward in my hands. So this deck, for many, aesthetic reasons, the 420 reasons, and just quality. It's quality. I appreciate it. I do have a deck that I gave away because it just wasn't quality. As much as I could appreciate some of the imagery on it, if the cards are slipping out my hands all the time, or it's just so flimsy that when I shuffle, it doesn't give me a good shuffle because cards are sticking together, I can't appreciate it. She took time and effort in creating this deck. And I truly appreciate her and I appreciate it. And I hope you go and check her out. So once again, this is Tarot Blessings. Go check out 420 Tarot. Tell her that Tarot Blessings 101 sent you. Okay? So if you gained anything from this video, just checking out the cards and this unboxing, hit like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you think. Ask any questions. If I see it in the comments, I will go ahead and respond. But yeah, this is where you can find the 420 Tarot. Peace.